have Kamikaze versus Bad Habit Relapse. Who thinks Kamikaze's gonna win this next race? Who thinks Bad Habit's gonna win this next race?
Yeah. He's also set the world record for the longest.
So Bad Habit was your fastest qualifier?
Yeah, back in 2011 or 2013.
And he took down reckless driving in round 1 of racing. Joey Sylvester, that truck, high caffeine powered truck over there. And those cleats really dig into this ground. And we got a fresh set of beautiful BKT tires on that Kamikaze truck. The winner goes to the final round of racing. When that light turns green, we'll see who has what it takes. It's time to go pedal to the metal. Here we go. Such a close race. Our track officials have come down with the word because Kamikaze wasn't able to make your winner by a very short margin is Bad Habit Relapse. Last year this weekend we were at Silver Lake Sand Dunes with Monster Truck Throwdown. Joey Sylvester was there. Again, those big cleats and those tires really helped him get that power to the ground, that motor. Unbelievable in that Bad Habit Relapse truck. So he now moves on to the final round of racing.
This is way better than that.
And he will either face the rookie in Jurassic Attack or the 2016 racing winner here, Crush Station. All right, so Mount Pleasant, who thinks Jurassic Attack is going to win this race? And who thinks Crush Station is going to win this race? Remember, your winner going to the final round to take on Bad Habit Relapse. It's rookie versus veteran right here. Makes it all the way to the finish line. Your winner is Prevention Match Crush Station. All right, so our final round of racing will feature Joey Sylvester, Bad Habit Relapse, and he will take on the 2016 racing winner here, Greg Winchenbach in Crush Station.
I think it's Greg Winchenbach.
All right, this time we're gonna go all the way down. free gear down here. Anybody? How's she fancy? Applebee's on a date night. Come on, let's see it. Shake them hips. Oh, my man up there, he's grinding. All right. I don't want to hit your kid, but here we go. Oh, stop pause. All right, how about down this way? Oh, look. There's the throwdown tent. Where if you don't get a shirt, you can get one later. Get it all together. Let's see. All right, we're going to go. Short. Oh. All right, one more down this way. Lynn got that one. Oh, there it is. All right, real quick breakdown of our racing bracket. Round one, Bad Habit beating Reckless Driving. Kamikaze beating Dirt Crew. Eagle Casino and Sports beating Jurassic Attack. And then Crush Station beating Tailgater, which set up the semi-final round. Bad Habit Relapse taking on Kamikaze. Close race. The Kamikaze towards the end, not able to get both front tires over each one of our race ramps, and that penalty really hurt his time. But then also, Crush Station would go on to beat Jurassic Attack in round two, that semi-final round. And we just cleared Jurassic Attack off the floor. They'll be getting him ready for freestyle. And our final round of racing is set. We have Bad Habit Relapse taking on Crush Station. And again, Crush Station, Greg Winchenbach, your 2016 racing finals winner here in one of the most spectacular final racing moments ever. As him and the other truck he was racing, Barbarian, were crossing the finish line. They collided. Barbarian went cartwheeling across the floor. And Greg Winchenbach would be that racing finals winner. So let's make some noise, get some flags up. This is the final round of racing.
Who do you think's gonna win?
All right.
Bad Habit.
Yeah.
In the left lane, from Jefferson, Maine, your 2016 racing champ. Let's hear it for Greg Winchenbach in Crush Station. And in the right lane, from Boardman, Ohio, he was your fast qualifier. Now he's here to be the king of racing. Let's hear it for Joey Sylvester. Bad Habit Relapse. So get your flags, get your trucks, get them up, get out of your seats, get on your feet. Soaring Eagle Casino, make some noise.
What? No. I'm not being rude. Yeah. She just looked at me and tapped.
Casino. Let's hear it for your racing winner.
What?
The 6th-year return of Monster Truck Throwdown. Joey Sylvester, Bad Habit Relapse. So he's unstrapping his helmet, taking off the neck brace. We have the Racing Champion Trophy for Monster Truck Madness, the Soaring Eagle Casino and Resort. A 6-year return, and man, that was a fast pass. Now he's on the floor. Let's hear it for Joey Sylvester, Bad Habit. All right, so Joey, the competition out of control, fierce, but you were able to pull that off in that final round too against Greg Winchenbach. What were your thoughts going into that final race?
I was just trying to take it round by round, you know, just trying to hit my marks, try to run a clean race. Everybody out here is fast. I mean, Soaring Eagle people, you guys are getting one heck of a show tonight. This is 10 of the baddest trucks in the country, and we all consider this our world finals. Every single one of these guys owns, wrenches, and fixes their own trucks and is out here putting on a show for you guys, and I'm so stoked to be out here. I hear you guys in the truck cheering for me. I'm so stoked to take home this racing win, man.
So we got freestyle coming up. I mean, this track is out of control. What is something you really, really are looking forward to doing, and what's something you're thinking about doing, but you're like, I'm not sure?
You know, I was kind of checking the track out earlier, trying to see if I could get some sort of crazy crossed up, like transfer move or something like that. You know, there's the backflip ramp out there. I'm going to go out there. I usually plan out my first 3 to 4 hits. And then from then on, if it's going well, we're playing on house money, and who knows what's going to happen. Maybe a backflip, maybe some bigger, crazier air. I take a look and see what everybody else does before me too, and I try to do something different.
I'd say he's playing on house money, fastest qualifier, your racing winner. Here's the trophy right now. Let's hear it for Joey Sylvester.